Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest in home improvement and outdoor gear. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best pressure washer pump on the market. The YAMATIC 3x4 shaft horizontal pressure washer pump. Designed for power and durability, this pump is engineered to handle the toughest cleaning jobs with ease. Let's talk performance. With a robust 3,400 psi at 2.5 gallons per minute, this pump delivers the power needed for a variety of tasks, from washing your home's siding to cleaning driveways and vehicles. It's built to last, with a design that's been rigorously tested for 150 hours of continuous operation. That's longer than most residential pumps out there. What sets the YAMATIC apart is its attention to detail. It features a high-performance double seal system that prevents leaks, and an adjustable unloader that lets you customize the pressure to match your specific cleaning needs. Worried about overheating? Don't be. The built-in thermal relief valve ensures the pump stays cool under pressure. Setting up the YAMATIC pump is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. It comes pre-filled with oil for a lifetime, eliminating the hassle of oil changes. Starting it up is a snap, with an easy start structure and a lightweight recoil start. For maintenance, simply drain any remaining water and use a pump guard for long-term storage. It's designed to fit most gas-powered washers with engines ranging from 180 to 225 cc, including popular models from Honda, Simpson, and more. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional cleaner, the YAMATIC 3/4 shaft horizontal pressure washer pump is a game-changer. Don't settle for less, invest in the best. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today.